Hi everyone, welcome back. We're currently in one of them cable cars, me and Luca, in Alanya, and it's just above the beach. Like, this is so crazy. We literally wanted to do this while the sun was setting and just look at this view because it's just absolutely worth it. And we got one to ourselves because there's barely anyone using them. At this time, it's amazing. Look at that. Oh my god, it's absolutely stunning. Look, there's another cable car there.
Yeah.
It was so scary going. I was like, oh my god, is it gonna like rock? Are we gonna fall? Well, we keep mentioning that Frozen film.
Oh,
where they're the last people that get on. Oh my god. But it is just so stunning, it really is. Oh.
It's just beautiful. Like, so far we're really impressed.
It's such a fun place. There's so much to do here. We can't, you know, we can't wait to just like see what else is here as well. But oh my god, look how high we are. We're so high. Oh my god, look at this. We are so high.
Yeah.
If you can sort of see, it keeps reflecting back, doesn't it, the light? Look. Oh my god, just look where we are. Oh my god. But yeah, hope you enjoyed and thank you so much for watching, and we'll definitely keep uploading and see you all soon.